Help Center Tutorials. How to perform an inventory from the web. In addition to the fact that you can enter the available stock quantities of a product when you are creating your Precision Systems catalog, you can also make its inventory as many times as necessary from your web administrator interface. To do this, log into your administrator interface from the web or on your myPrecision mobile app. On the sidebar on the left side of your screen, scroll down to the Stock Management section and then go to Stock Status or Product Status rubric. This way you will have the choice to display the stock status by product or by store. Once your choice is made, if you chose to view your stock by product, proceed with choosing the product type, select a searching filter and then search for the product in the corresponding field. Your search result will then appear, and you will only have to click on the line of the product that interests you to be able to view its stock in each of your point of sales. Click on the button with a gear illustration on the line of the store for which you want to make the inventory of the product in question. At this point you will only have to edit the quantity in the corresponding field, before validating your insertion by clicking on the check button in green on the right side of the screen. If you chose to view your stock by store, start with choosing the city where the store you're interested in is located on your left, then proceed by selecting the store. At this point all the products that are sold in the store you've selected will appear with their stock status in the column quantity. Click on the button illustrated with a gear on the line of the product for which you want to edit the quantity. This way, you will have control over the modification of the corresponding quantity field. Proceed by inserting the data in it. After filling in the inventoried quantities, press the green button on the right to confirm your insertion and apply your changes. Repeat the operation as many times as necessary for each of the stores or products concerned by the inventory and it's done.